Ever pondered over the question why Singapore magnetizes so many skilled professionals from around the globe? Well, the answer is simple. Singapore is a global hub for talent. This small island nation, known for its shimmering skyline and diverse culture, has emerged as a powerhouse for attracting world-class professionals. Singapore's status as a talent magnet isn't just a stroke of luck. It's the result of strategic planning, forward-thinking policies, and a focus on innovation and development. The country's commitment to fostering a vibrant talent landscape is evident in its various districts, each offering unique opportunities and experiences for professionals. From the hustle and bustle of the Central Business District to the innovation hub in Biopolis and Fusionopolis, from the thriving Marina Bay to the industrial powerhouse of Jurong Industrial Estate, Singapore offers a range of environments that cater to diverse professional needs. So let's dive into the 5 areas in Singapore that are considered among the best for talent. First up, we have the Central Business District, or CBD. This bustling region is known far and wide as Singapore's financial heart, pulsating with a dynamic rhythm that inspires and motivates. It's a hub that magnetizes professionals in finance, banking, and related industries from every corner of the globe. The CBD isn't just a cluster of towering skyscrapers and glittering lights, it's the embodiment of a thriving economy. It's where the magic of the financial world unfolds, where deals are brokered, futures are secured, and dreams are realized. It's a place where the ambitious and the talented come to make their mark, to write their own story of success. The presence of multinational corporations within the CBD is nothing short of impressive. These are the titans of industry, the flag bearers of global commerce, and they've chosen the CBD as their arena. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Citibank, to name a few, have established their strongholds here, creating a rich tapestry of opportunities for those eager to excel in their careers. But it's not just about the big names. The CBD is also a nurturing ground for startups and small businesses. It's a fertile soil where seeds of innovation are sown and cultivated, where fresh ideas are welcomed, and the spirit of entrepreneurship is celebrated. The Central Business District is more than just a location. It's a platform for growth, a springboard for success. It's where professionals can harness their skills, sharpen their expertise, and push the boundaries of what's possible in their respective fields. In this vibrant arena, opportunities are plentiful, competition is fierce, and the rewards are well worth the effort. It's a place that demands your best and helps you to exceed it. Clearly, the Central Business District is a powerhouse of talent, offering a wealth of opportunities for ambitious professionals. Moving on, we come to Marina Bay. This breathtaking waterfront area is more than just a feast for the eyes. It's a bustling hub for innovation and technology, making it a prime destination for tech professionals from around the globe. Marina Bay, with its iconic skyline, is home to an impressive array of tech giants. Companies such as Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn have chosen to set up their Asia-Pacific headquarters right here, recognizing the area's potential as a springboard for their regional operations. But it's not just the big names that make Marina Bay a tech hotspot. The area is also a breeding ground for ambitious startups drawn by the innovative spirit that permeates the air. From fintech firms revolutionizing the world of finance to AI companies pushing the boundaries of what's possible with machine learning, the startups in Marina Bay are as diverse as they are trailblazing. Marina Bay is a place where ideas come to life. With its multitude of co-working spaces and innovation labs, professionals here are given the tools and the environment to dream big and create. Opportunities for innovation are not just plentiful, they're encouraged, and it's not all work and no play. The vibrant lifestyle offerings of Marina Bay make it a place where professionals can balance a challenging career with an enriching personal life. From world-class restaurants to cultural attractions, Marina Bay offers a lifestyle that's hard to resist. It's this combination of a thriving tech scene, opportunities for innovation, and a vibrant lifestyle that makes Marina Bay a magnet for talent. Whether you're a seasoned tech professional looking to take your career to the next level, or an ambitious startup founder with a vision to change the world, Marina Bay could be the place for you. Marina Bay, with its focus on technology and innovation, is a magnet for tech-savvy talent. And that wraps up our exploration of this incredible part of Singapore. Let's continue our journey as we move on to the next area. Next, we have Biopolis and Fusionopolis. These two areas are the heartbeats of Singapore's research and development landscape. They stand as vibrant hubs pulsating with the energy of innovation and discovery that attract the brightest minds from all corners of the globe. Biopolis, primarily a biomedical sciences research hub, represents a vibrant ecosystem where scientists and researchers thrive. It's a place where ideas are born, nurtured, and transformed into groundbreaking solutions for some of the world's most pressing health challenges. Here you'll find a dynamic mix of research institutions, pharmaceutical and biotech companies, all working in synergy to push the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of biomedical sciences. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find Fusionopolis. This is Singapore's answer to the demand for a holistic development hub that integrates the elements of science, technology, and media industries. Fusionopolis is a hub of bustling activity, teeming with a diverse array of innovative companies. From startups to established corporations, the industry leaders and game changers of today and tomorrow are gathered here. This is the place where the worlds of research and commerce collide to create a potent mix of innovation and enterprise. In these hubs, collaboration is the name of the game. Institutions and companies intermingle in a thriving ecosystem, sharing ideas, resources, and visions. It's a fertile ground for innovation where the pursuit of knowledge and the passion for discovery are the driving forces. The presence of these research institutions and innovative companies not only attracts but also retains top-tier talent. They provide a conducive environment for scientists, researchers, and professionals to grow, learn, and contribute to the ever-evolving world of science and technology. Whether it's the race to find the next breakthrough in biomedical research at Biopolis, or the quest to develop the next big thing in technology at Fusionopolis, these areas offer a dynamic and stimulating environment for those with a thirst for knowledge and innovation. Biopolis and Fusionopolis offer a thriving environment for those seeking to break new ground in research and development. Let's turn our attention to Jurong Industrial Estate. Situated on the westernmost point of Singapore, Jurong Industrial Estate is a titan in the manufacturing world. It's a dynamic hub that beckons professionals from across the globe with its vibrant mix of opportunities in manufacturing and related fields. At the heart of Jurong Industrial Estate, you'll find a bustling hive of activity, humming with the energy of countless professionals working in a vast array of industries. From electronics and chemicals to engineering and logistics, the breadth and depth of expertise here are truly impressive. This industrial powerhouse is home to some of the leading manufacturing companies in the world. These global giants offer a wealth of opportunities for professionals to develop their skills, broaden their knowledge, and make their mark on the world stage. The presence of these industry leaders is a testament to the estate's standing as a vital cog in Singapore's economic machine. Jurong Industrial Estate is more than just a place of work. It's a thriving community of professionals, each bringing their unique talents and perspectives to the table. It's a place where ideas are born, where innovation is nurtured, and where professionals continually push the boundaries of what's possible in the manufacturing sector. In Jurong Industrial Estate, the opportunities for professional development are abundant. Here, you'll find a rich tapestry of training programs, workshops, and seminars, all designed to equip professionals with the skills they need to excel in their chosen field. It's a place where ambitious individuals can grow, flourish, and reach new heights in their careers. And with the Singaporean government's commitment to fostering a conducive environment for growth and innovation, Jurong Industrial Estate continues to evolve and adapt, ensuring it remains at the forefront of the manufacturing industry. Jurong Industrial Estate offers a robust platform for professionals in the manufacturing sector to shine. And there you have it, 5 areas in Singapore that are among the best for talent. We've taken a look at the Central Business District, the heart of Singapore's financial and business hub, teeming with opportunities for the ambitious. Then there's Marina Bay, a place where work and play blend seamlessly, attracting professionals from diverse industries. We also explored Biopolis and Fusionopolis, the twin pillars of Singapore's booming biomedical and digital media sectors, where innovation is the name of the game. Lastly, we delved into the Jurong Industrial Estate, a powerhouse of manufacturing and logistics, key to Singapore's economic dynamism. Each area, unique in its own right, contributes to the vibrant talent landscape that Singapore is globally renowned for. It's this blend of opportunities across various sectors that makes Singapore a magnet for skilled professionals from every corner of the globe. Whether you're a banker, a tech guru, a scientist, or a manufacturing specialist, Singapore has a place for you to thrive. So are you ready to make the move?